Hi everyone, Melissa here, Mo Creations. Coming on today with hashtag 2crafters1design as well as Saturday Morning Makes, which is hosted by Julia Norwood. And I'll have her link down below. Make sure you use the hashtag #SatMornMakes to join in on this challenge. And then for hashtag 2crafters1design is hosted by myself, which is Mo Creations. Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, who is Lisa. So I'll have their links down below. This week's theme was to use balloons. Let's jump in. I made 3 different cards and I'm going to show you what I used to create those cards as well. And so this will be the balloon die that I'm using, which is from Spellbinders, and it's called Color Block Balloons. So I'm using that on every one of my cards. I use these gems on every one of my cards, and I picked these up from Hobby Lobby. And then from Cuttlebug, I'm using Charles, and that's the embossing folder, just this, not this, that I'm using in the back. And Honeybee Stamps, I'm using the Wishes die as well as Birthday from there. The first card here, very pretty. I love how Charles looked. That's that embossing folder back there. At first, when I first made this, I wasn't too sure of the colors that I had chose, but I really like the colors once I put everything together. And then I accented the wishes in the lighter lavender color there, but all the rest of them will be in the dark purple. But love how that looks. The inside is plain, just like that. All right, so that's my first card. Remember, same balloons. I also use Joyous Birthdays, and I use It's Time to Celebrate along with its coordinating die. Honeybee Stamps. I use the Hooray, this here, the die set only. I'm using this background here. And so, like I said, it's very similar, just has a different word on there. And I also use that dark purple in there. I love the dark purple. It really makes it pop. But almost the same, except for I used a different balloon than what I used on the first card, as you can tell. But then I used these here. The sequence is a little different though in those balloons, because I just kind of mixed all of the colors when I was creating the balloons. So the last one I am using, these are the products that I'm using. From this stamp set, I'm using Beautiful. And from Honeybee Stamps again, I am using Smile. And then the embossing folder, I am using the Darace Clouds in the Sky. That's the name of that one. And here goes that one. Love it. Very similar, but like I said, I use just different words. So this one's Smile Beautiful. And then there goes the balloons that I chose to use on that background, which is the clouds. And the inside of the cards, I just, finished it off with just a layer piece there. But love those balloons. They make such a great impact for your cards. And then so do those word dies. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.